I have a few things from the Robotech series. So I have some of the comic books. I still have my GameCube game, and yes, I do actually have all the stuff that came in here. So if I open this up, still have the game, gave you concept art inside of here, music track. Of course, you can see I never opened the dog chains that they gave me with it. There was also a t-shirt in here. I have never opened a t-shirt. Yes, this is a t-shirt that is packed within here that I still have yet to take out. Although, I mean, I've had this thing for like what? It's been a long time. I think I might actually go ahead and unpack it sometime soon. But I've gotten one more Robotech related item, and that was one of the figures. As you might be able to tell from some of the writing that's on here, this is imported from Japan. It's actually much cheaper to import them from Japan than to buy them from some sources that are here in the United States. So let's open it up. I know some people get these and they plan to never remove them from the box, but I got this too removed from the box. It should just be the figure that's inside of here. So let's see. Where do we open it? We'll open it from this end. So let's see, within, let's get this out of the way. So we have the figure itself. Set that aside, even though that's the main thing of interest. No idea what this is. I think this might be some of the projectiles for the weapon. We have the weapon itself. And then what is this taped on the inside? Looks like we have the manual and an alternative cockpit cover. Here it is, completely transformed. And for those of you that are associating it with Transformers, you should. At some point, I can't remember who owned the Transformers IP at the time, but they did buy the molds that were used for making the version of this from when I was a kid. And they re-released it under the Transformers branding under, I think the name of the fighter was Starfire. But yeah, so that was something that was derived from this cartoon. I was a little tricky getting it transformed, but it did come with instructions that show you everything to do. So here the instructions are in plain Japanese with pictures. Let's see, what is this even saying? This first side is saying from fighter, what is that? Fighta, kara. I don't know what this word is. I feel like I should know because they probably said it in a cartoon, but I don't know what the word is. I'm not even going to try and say that. But on the other side, same word. So from that form, kara, battleroido. So from that mode to the battleroid, which is what we have here. So now that this thing is put together, it can go sit on my shelf for collectibles, where I have some other things that I plan to put up there.